This week's parsha kicks off the Torah's final book, the Book of Devarim, or Deuteronomy. The Greek word means second law, and the book, appropriately, consists of Moses' repetition of the Torah to the assembled Israelites, beginning on the first day of the month of Shevat, 37 days before his death. Moses reviews the 40-year history of the people, from the Exodus to the present, rebuking the Israelites for their failures, and commanding them to keep the Torah and its mitzvot. He recalls the appointment of judges to ease his burden, the journey through the wilderness, the dispatch of the spies to the promised land, and God's decree that the faithless Israelites spend 4 decades in the desert before entering Canaan. He also recounts more recent events, like the refusal of the Moabites and Ammonites to let the Israelites pass through their countries, the wars against the Emorites, and the settlement of land requests by the tribes of Reuben and Gad and half the tribe of Manasseh. Finally, Moses instructs his successor, Joshua, to lead the battle for the conquest of the promised land.